Wow. Hey, bro. Did you not see that red light? Did you not see that red light? You blew right through it. That's not safe, man. You're gonna hurt someone. You especially should not be driving then.
Hey, water, man.
Wow, that's really dangerous. Oh my God.
Location of your emergency.
Hi, I'm in Seattle, Washington, driving up Olive Way, heading towards Broadway. I just passed by a driver that blew through a red light. I pulled up next to him and I was like, "Hey, did you not see that red light?" You know, just being nice, like, "Hey, that's dangerous." The guy admits to being, quote, fucked up, and he says it's more fun that way. He's driving around without his lights on. Huh?
Okay, I'm sorry to know. Hold on one moment.
Okay, thank you.
911, what is your emergency?
Hi, I'm driving in Capitol Hill, Seattle. I just encountered a driver who blew through a red light. I pulled up next to him at the next light and was like, "Hey, man, like, you just blew through that red light. Careful, that's not safe." He admitted to me that he's really fucked up. So I'm like, okay, wow, that's not safe. This happened at Bellevue Avenue and Olive Way.
Bellevue Avenue, Olive Way. How long ago?
Just like 2 minutes ago. I'm going the same way as them. We're at currently at like Denny and Broadway East.
Denny and Broadway East?
Yes.
Are you more on Broadway or on Denny?
On Denny, going towards Broadway East. Plate real quick while I have it.
So eastbound on Denny. Sure.
Yeah, BZD 5866. Washington plate.
Like Boy Zebra David 5866.
Yeah. Dark blue Lexus. I don't know the model. Driving without his lights on too.
Drive without lights on. Okay. Do you see any weapons?
No. I think he was by himself in the car.
Okay. Do you have a description of him? Race, age?
Probably about mid to late 20s, African American, short hair, probably medium height. I'm guessing.
Okay. Do you see what color shirt or pants?
Not that I remember. Probably t-shirt. Okay. That's about all. Okay. I have all this on dash cam too.
You can find him at a stoplight.
Okay. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is.
And what's your phone number?
Oh, well, king in the castle, king in the castle.
So were you wanting to talk to an officer first thing, or only if we need to reach out to you for the camera footage?
Just for the camera footage.
Okay.
I just always have it. I'd like to offer it whenever it's needed.
You're not still following, right?
No. He parked at the Dick's on Broadway, but I've gone past. I was just going the same way.
Oh, he went into the Dick's on Broadway?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
There is a police officer car right there. I didn't see a police officer in the car though.
Yeah, there is an officer on another call right now, so they're working on something else right now.
Yeah, for sure.
So you went into the Dick's there just across the street?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll let them know. Maybe I'll put them at 155 the Dick, okay?
All right. Excellent. Appreciate it.
Okay. I absolutely think
You too. Thanks. Oh, that's fun.